Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. In this video tutorial, we will learn SUMIFS function. Let us move to Excel file. I have a sample data, table 1 and another table, table 2, where we need to find the sum of sales employees in values. Additionally, we need to find the units sold, that is quantity sold, and the products are pencil, binder, pen, desk and pen sets. All these data available in this table, table 1, but more than one row for each item. We will use SUMIFS in such situations where sum is required using more than one criteria. The syntax of SUMIFS is equal to, then SUMIFS, within bracket we need to give sum range, criteria range 1, criteria 1, and if more than one criteria, then criteria range 2, criteria 2, and so on. In the column K, where we need the total sales, you can use either SUMIF or you can use SUMIFS, because SUMIFS can work in one criteria also. Let us use SUMIFS to get desired data in this table. To start the formula, we need to go to the K3 cell in the table 2. Type equal to sign, type SUMIFS, hit tab. Note, SUMIFS function is asking for sum range, the column where our data exists. In our case, it is column G. Select column G. Put a comma. To go to the next parameter, which is criteria range 1, we need to select the column where the criteria exists. We need the total sales of brown. Therefore, the column is C. Select column C. Put a comma. Now, the SUMIFS function is asking for criteria 1. As we need the data for brown, we will select cell J3. Close the bracket and hit enter. It is showing total sales made by brown. For the next column, where we need the total number of pencils sold by brown, we will go through the same steps, but we will add another criteria in our existing formula and will change the sum range column. We need the units sold, therefore we will select column E. Put a comma. Criteria range 1 will be sales employee, column C. Put a comma. Criteria 1 is brown, so select cell J3. Put a comma. As this column will be for brown and units sold by him, we will use another criteria, criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 will be product column. Select the column D. Put a comma. Now, the criteria 2 is pencil, therefore we will select the cell L2. You can also type pencil but within double quote. Close the bracket. Hit enter. Now we need to type this formula to all the remaining cells, but it is time consuming. We can do it in a much better way. Select cell L3. Click on the formula bar. Select the sum range in the information text, which will select the sum range column. Press F4 once to freeze the sum range. Click on the criteria range 1. Hit F4 once. Again, click on criteria 1. Hit F4 3 times. Click on the criteria range 2. Hit F4 and leave the criteria 2 for now. We will freeze this later. Hit enter. Now drag the formula to the right by holding the small plus sign in this cell. But the formula is not complete yet. we need to freeze the criteria 2. Otherwise, if we drag the formula, the criteria 2 will reference the wrong cell. Select cell L3. Go to formula bar. Click on criteria 2, or you can place the cursor here. Press F3 2 times, which will lock the second row. The formula will not move. Hit enter. Do this for the next 4 cells. Select all the cells with formula from K3 to P3. Your data is ready. I hope you have understood how to use SUMIFS function efficiently. Please like and click the subscribe button to get new free video notification in Excel. Thank you for your interest.